so we have completed the explanation of poem. We have sent the poem. Now let's move toward the exercise part. Okay, so in exercise there are first thing is that to complete the following sentence. To complete the following sentence. Here you can see that if nobody passes the ball in a basket game, then you can't. If nobody passes the ball in the basketball game, then you can't. What we can do if nobody pass ball to us, so you can't shoot. आप क्या नहीं कर सकते हो? You can't shoot. Next is in a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then in a relay race, if no one passes the baton race, then obviously the relay race will not go on. So next is in a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then in a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then so relay race cannot be go on. तो relay race हो ही नहीं सकती, right? So next is to make a film we need. Okay, name the team members needed for the following. Here are the three things given. One is already done for you, so I didn't write it here. So name the team members needed for the following. आपको क्या करना है? Following things are given here. You have to write down. Okay. Name the team members needed for the following. Okay, you have to give the name of the team members you need, which is needed in the following things. So first is that to make a film we need. So we need directors, directors, actors, viewers also, na? Okay, these things we require, right? Next is to run a good school we need. To run a good school we need obviously principal, teachers, and students. Okay, so these are the people we need if we wanna run a good school. So next is to run a restaurant we need. So obviously we need a manager, cooks, waiters, customers. Right? This is what we need if you want to run a good restaurant here. Okay? So let's move to. So next thing is that we have to complete the sets of rhyming words from the poem. Okay? So here are some of the poem words which are from the poems and are given. So words from the poems are team, plus, done, hoop, shoot, goal, and joy. Right? So we have to write our own rhyming word. Wait. So one have already done by the textbook. That is beam, team from beam. So plus, So plus to bus, we can say bus plus bus. Then next is done. So done to, just think about it, done, gun. We can also write it gun, done, gun. Hook, look, hook, look. Shoot, shoot to root. We can say root. Goal, goal. Then soul, goal, soul. Joy, joy, toy. Okay, so these are the rhyming words. Here have a look at again. Plus, bus, done, gun, hook, look, shoot, root, goal, soul, joy, toy. Okay, let's move toward the next one. In next one there is a story, little story is given, and from that answers are also given. We have to make the questions. हमें क्या बनाना है? Questions बनाना है. So here you can see the question is the shoe was lost because of the nail. Okay, तो उसका question क्या हो सकता है? Let's write it down. Why was the shoe? Why was the shoe lost? Why was the shoe lost? The shoe was lost because of the nail. Okay, the shoe was lost because of the nail. Next is the answer is the kingdom was lost because the battle could not fall. Okay, so here also question you can write that why was the kingdom lost? Why was the kingdom lost? So we can say that the kingdom was lost because the battle could not fall. Next is the battle. The battle was lost because there was no rider. The battle was lost because there was no rider. So the question is same. Why was the battle lost? Why was the battle lost? So simple, right? So the battle was lost because there was no rider. Okay, this is simple. Now let's move toward the next part. Next question is look at the picture and answer the question in the sentence using the word clue given in the box. Okay, just look at the picture carefully. There are plumbers, painters, masons, electricians, laborers, carpenters and gardeners. We have to look at the picture carefully and we have to give answer the following questions. Okay, so here the first question is that who is lying the brick? Who is lying the brick? So the answer is a mason is lying the tree. A mason is lying the bricks. Bricks कौन रख रहा है? So जो mason है वो bricks रख रहा है. ठीक है. Next is who is holding the ladder? Who is holding the ladder? So a laborer is holding the ladder. A laborer is holding the ladder. Next is who is the man on the ladder? Who is the man on the ladder? So we can say an electrician is on the ladder. An electrician is on the ladder. Who is making the door? Who is making the door? Next is who is making the door? So a carpenter is making the door. A carpenter is making the door. जो डोर है वो कौन बना रहा है? So जो कारपेंटर है वो डोर बना रहा है. Okay, these all question answers we have to give from the pictures. Who is painting the hall? Who is painting the walls? So a painter is painting the walls. Next question. In group of 5, discuss what you enjoy doing alone and what you like doing in a group. Okay, so here I have done the answers for you. The things I like doing alone and the things I like doing in a group. So the things I like doing alone is reading book, doing homework and writing a poem. Now the things I like doing in a group is that playing games, going for a picnic and going for a swim. These are the things I would like to do in a group. Okay, so things that you like to do alone and the things that you like to do in a group, that are the things you have to mention here. Next thing is that in your family, what activities are done individually and as a group? So answer, my mother decides what dishes to cook. What dishes to cook? My father decides where to invest his money. My father decides where to invest his money. I decide what to study. I decide what to study. And we decide where we shall go for a holiday. So next question, tell in the puzzle find the words given in the column. Notice that these words are formed by joining words. One is done for you. Find some more words. Okay, so below in the picture you can see there are many words. Sometimes, everyone, basketball, nobody, teamwork, baton, Sunday, handsome, standby, campot, and you can just pause the video and see where these are words exactly situated. Question is, write the contractions for the following phrases. So has not, the obviously hasn't, are not, the obviously aren't, have not, it's haven't, and for do not, there's don't. Again repeating, there's has not means hasn't, are not means aren't, have not means haven't, and do not means don't. These are the contractions. So now next thing we have to do is write the full forms of for the following. So there's a weren't, that means were not. Next is wasn't, that means was not. She'll, that means she will, and whose, that means who is. Okay, now the words we have given, we have to give the full form of that words. The first is weren't, that means were not. Next is wasn't, that means was not. She'll, that means she will, and whose, that means who is.
आभार।